Whoa, we back here
Round
from
two.
round two, cool and thugging.
Cool and thugging it.
This nigga out here.
Out of there.
He out
He
of
out
there.
of there.
This
That's
nigga.
my baby and I love him, but he is out of there.
That nigga Tropicana in there, that's the mixture. Fuck with us.
My
This
baby, look
nigga.
how he got the trash can too, and I'm proud of him.
Peggy's
I'm proud of him because it smelled nothing like apple throw up. Because if it was me, it wouldn't be no trash can. It'll be Rocker.
That boy done called. Boy done called my first name. That boy done called Earl on me. Shit, I'm just sitting here Gucci. You know me, I'm chilling, cooling on the circle, cooling and thugging what we presenting. We just showing y'all around the circle and shit, how we get down. Niggas gonna talk that shit, talk about these niggas ain't hard. Y'all can say what y'all want. Come and test us. Bring your hood. Or put your hood on YouTube, whatever. We got my hood on YouTube. Put your hood on YouTube, man. We got cats, man. What's up? Blue, fuck with us. We got cats. Yeah, we got cats. DVDs on deck. Fuck with us. What's up? So we just balling. We can't smoke in the house. So, I mean, we ain't no thugs. Look, boy smoking outside. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. We cooling and thugging, man. That's all we doing, cooling and thugging. Walk up in here.
Hey, get the fuck out. We pissing.
Oh.
Get the fuck out.
I can't.
Get the fuck out.
I'm not even here.
I don't give a fuck. I'm on camcorder.
You're not on camcorder. I'm just getting the voices. I'm getting the voices.
Asshole.
Yo, niggas just cooling and thugging.
Fuck, Bernard.
What's up,
I
man?
was pissing, nigga.
Man, I thought I heard Earl.
You had to get me down there.
Man, we out here. Cooling and thugging. Fuck with us.